Now look. Yeah, I know it's been like a week since I posted it. That shoot was probably been longer than that since I posted a hiking video. I know. I'm gonna go now. Alright, bye. What's up, everybody? So every time I go hiking, I try a new place. So today we're at this. Well, I saw on Google it said Tomahawk Trailhead, but this is crazy. I'm like in this neighborhood with all these mansions and stuff. Trying to figure out which way I need to go. Guess I'll just go this way. But yeah, look. It's like mansion over there. Mansion. The University of Utah is down that way, and this house right here. But yeah, it's a nice neighborhood. Man, it's cool that they have a trailhead. It makes sense they all the way up in the hills. It took me a minute to get here. But yeah, it's a little vibe though. Just remind me of that scene from 300, where the wife was walking through the wheat. Y'all might not know what I'm talking about, but yeah, that's what this reminds me of. Yeah, we're gonna get to it. It's been a minute since I've been out hiking, so probably about 2 weeks, maybe. So had to get back out here today. A nice day, wasn't too hot. Yeah, it's a nice, good trail, maintained trail. So this one ain't gonna be too treacherous. This is just like a big old hill. Kind of like it though. It's a good little vibe. I don't know if y'all can see it over there. The mountains, yeah, you can see that. Yeah. See the mountains over there. Out there in the distance. Technically we're on one. I think this is part of the Wasatch mountain line or whatever they call it, mountain range. Yeah. Man, coming up here though, man, it sounded like my car was working to get up these hills. Cause it's like straight inclines, then you turn right, you go straight, and straight incline when you turn left again. So, yeah, bro, this is beautiful over here. I like this. There was this guy with his dogs in front of me. I had to wait, give them some space. I know it's probably awkward when you feel like you're getting followed by somebody. That's a good little vibe. Oh, this is amazing. Oh, I'm trying to go up that hill right there. This is a trail right here. This is probably a bigger vantage point right here. This is probably the first hike where the trail wasn't automatically steep. So I ain't sound like I'm out of breath this time. That's crazy. So many freaking bugs and grasshoppers and stuff. I don't know if y'all can see them jumping around. I think this is a nature preserve, so I think it's pretty protected over here. So only people that come up here is people like on foot. Whew. My calf's on fire, but this thing's steep. How steep that is, boy. Yeah, it's a vibe. Sun about to set down over there. Whew. Hold on. I'm gonna get back with y'all when I get up this hill. know if y'all can see that, but that bird is crazy. I ain't never seen a bird with a light blue head like that. If anybody know what that is, let me know. Cause I don't know what that is. Beautiful bird though. Yeah. As far as this, ooh, that's zoomed in. Back it up. There it is. Is it still going? Hold on. Trying to fix this thing. Ah! Alright, it's a little windy if y'all can hear me. But I'm gonna have to talk a little loud so y'all can hear me. So I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is. But people been getting up in here tagging it up. I don't know what this is. I wonder if the sign says anything. This area is restricted and under security surveillance. Unauthorized entry is prohibited and violators will be it says will not. Clearly people been all up in there though. I don't know how they getting in. Everything's barbed up. Yeah, this whole area is barbed up. I don't know how they got in there. Maybe slide through there or something, I don't know. But, yeah, I made it up to this big rock that I was trying to get to so I could sit down. And the view up here is amazing. It's crazy. Let me just show y'all. Hey, this is crazy. You see how quiet it is? Like, hold on. Like, it is silent. Like, you hear birds and stuff, like crickets. But outside of that, you don't hear nothing really. Like, I can hear like a plane, like way in the distance. But you can't hear nothing, even though there's a big city down there. And granted, everything is closed on Sundays, so a lot of cars ain't driving right now. But I can still hear the highway. But, oh, that's a vibe, bro. I'm really finna stay here till sunset, honestly. That's probably like another hour or so. So let me run this by y'all real quick. So I was thinking about doing a series of hiking, so that it makes me go to different areas in the valley, and let other people experience it, like the viewers and stuff. Because this is crazy. And the fact that people live just like right there is crazy. Like, that's insane to me. Like, one day. But yeah. So really, just give me your thoughts on that. I was gonna make this like episode 1, even though I've had hiking videos in the past. Like, make this the official episode 1 of it, and then go from there. Try to drop one weekly or bi-weekly, depending on the other video ideas I got going on. But be pretty frequent about that, because there's other places I want to go. And since it's summertime now, and it feels great up here. Like the breeze is cool. It's crazy how it's summer and it's not crazy hot. Like the thing about it is though, like it'll say like it's 94, but you can feel that heat, but like it won't feel crazy. Like right now it's 86 with a breeze of 6 miles, so it feels like 82. Like this is nice. Humidity is at 16%, which ain't nothing compared to like Florida and other southern states. And this is beautiful weather right now. But yeah, just trying to run that by y'all. See what y'all think. Just comment below what y'all think about that. But yeah, I'm probably gonna wrap it up here and just enjoy my time out here. I'm gonna try to get the sunset, the sunset videotape for y'all. Yeah. Comment, like, subscribe, do all the YouTube things. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. If you made it this far, I appreciate you. There's gonna be more content coming out. And yep, I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.